Welcome. In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called reset, and then tap on it. And here tap on the check mark to confirm. Before that though, I recommend to check if the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure that the battery is charged. Then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.